How to check previous purchases on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Tap on the top right corner of your Apple account which displays your profile. This takes you to your account page, where you can manage apps and subscriptions. From this menu, go ahead and tap on Purchase History. Here, you can view all your previous App Store purchases. By default, the view might be limited. To expand your search, tap on Change Filters. This page lets you customize your search. You can adjust the date range to this year or last year, filter by cost between free and paid, and select a purchase type like apps or subscriptions. Once your filters are set, tap Apply at the top right as shown, to see the results. Following these steps, you can easily check previous purchases on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.